What are the 5 proven strategies that all new crypto investors need to know to be successful in this space? Stick with me and we'll learn about this today. What's going on, my free thinking rebels? My name is Stefan Subero, and I am a holistic financial planning coach with over 5 years of success in investing and trading cryptocurrency, more than 10xing my portfolios, and currently helping more than 200 clients worldwide to achieve their financial freedom goals. My team and I are on a mission to help parents, business owners, and entrepreneurs with little time and knowledge to safely get into this space, automate their investment, and create financial freedom for themselves, their families, and their communities. So if this sounds like the kind of content you are looking for, I will urge you to take a minute and gently tap on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can support the channel and you don't miss out on any future content. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so anything that I say in this video is based on personal experience, time in the market, and is not to be taken as financial advice. Please go ahead and do your own research, consult your personal financial advisor before making any decision. All right, so what are these 5 strategies that I'm talking about? And look, I know a lot of people might be thinking, oh, well, what's the trading strategy that we need to look at? Or what is the passive income strategy that we can look at? Do we stake? Do we do yields? What do we do in crypto? Look, there's so much that you can do in this space. But if you are brand new to the space, if you do not have much experience, little or much experience in the space, these 5 strategies are going to be key in building you up for success. So, strategy number 1, invest in your education, in mentorship, and in training before you do anything. Please listen to this advice. Would you go and build a house if you don't know how to build a house? Would you go and fix your car if you don't know how to fix a car? Or would you hire somebody to either teach you how to build a house or fix a car, or build a house or fix the car for you? Right? Look, I sit down and I think about how many people just jump into this space without any knowledge. Again, you can look on YouTube, you can find little resources here and there, but you need to fully understand and educate yourself and have the experience before jumping into a space like this. So what can you do about it? Listen, personally, definitely find a mentor. Find some form of training or course that will give you support as well as strategies that you can use to implement. Strategy number 2, actually have a strategy and an exit plan that you execute to the T. You might be thinking, well, definitely, but I'm telling you right now, the amount of people that I have worked with, that I am working with, that when they started, when they came in, they had no clue. They had no strategy. They just went off and bought coins because they saw it on YouTube or somebody on the street told them, hey, buy this coin, it's going to explode. Look, you don't want to do that. You will lose your money, literally. Listen, don't waste your time doing that because you will lose your money. Remember this, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you don't know when you're going to sell the coin before you buy it, then don't buy it. Simple as that. Do not buy it. Make sure you understand when you're going to sell and if it is even possible for you to make it to those levels, or you're just wishing and hoping and praying that the prices will get there. Do you know where you are in the cycle? Are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? Are we accumulating? If you don't know this, just go back to work, my friend. Go back to work, keep learning. Or like I said, use strategy number 1, get the help to do this. Don't try and do this on your own if you do not have the experience. So just to illustrate this a little bit more, you want to have a plan of action, right? This is what we do with our private members. We will create an allocation plan. We will look at all of the strategies that we have available for our members, and then we'll decide based on how much risk they want to have in the market. Do you want to be a low, medium, high risk investor? We will look at that and we will kind of give some perspective on which strategies will best fit. And this is going to give you a good picture of, hey, where is my money going? You got to know where your money's going. If you don't know where your money's going, you'll just have no awareness. You will not be present, and you will just forget about it. A lot of people, listen, how many people forget about what coins they buy? They'll buy a random coin and then they have no clue where they put it, where it's stored, how to sell it. So this is going to allow you to have that clarity. Tracking everything that you do. This is something that we make sure every single client does, right? How much have you really invested in the market? And then what is your projected return on investment? Where are you planning to sell? Very, very important. If you don't know this, if you can't see this, if you can't visualize this, then you will never make profits, because even when the time comes to sell, you will not sell. You'll be so caught up in the hype that you will not sell. Now, very important, use a guide like this. This is simple stuff, right? You want to know when you bought, what coin you bought, what's the price you bought it at, how much you have, what's the value of that. Very key, very vital, very simple stuff. Strategy number 3 is going to be this one: buy low and sell high. Wow, really? Buy low and sell high. Yeah, definitely buy low and sell high. I know it sounds simple. It's not as simple as it sounds. And look, I can spend a whole half an hour explaining exactly what that means, but I'll do something even better. And I'm going to drop a video up here. Take a look at it. This is the exact strategy that my clients use. Obviously, it's incorporated with a couple other things, but this is going to be the simplest thing you can do if you're brand new to the space to start seeing some success as you get involved, as you get to understand how trading and understanding crypto works. Again, I'll drop the video up here. Strategy number 4 is going to be build a robust and diversified portfolio. Now, this is crucial overall, especially when you're starting off, because there's going to be trends in the market. And if you follow the trend, you will be successful. The trend is always your friend all the way to the end. I used to tell that to every client. Trend is your friend. What is trending in the market? What kinds of project? What kind of infrastructure is going on? What are most people talking about? Look, for this market cycle, this current bull cycle, AI and gaming are the 2 main trends that most money is flowing into. So these are the projects that will have the biggest potential growth. They'll have the most upside, and the ones that could potentially make you the most return on your investment. Now, with that said, building a portfolio is not that simple. So again, I'll drop a resource right up here. When you're done this video, feel free to go check that out. It's going to give you the exact details on how to build a correct diversified portfolio that can fit your current level and current style. And finally, strategy number 5, don't give up. Keep working towards this. I want to tell you something. Look, it's not easy. Whenever you start something new, it gets harder before it gets easier. When I first started in crypto, I lost 1 full Bitcoin back in 2019 because I did not understand. I didn't do any of these things that I'm telling you right now, right? So I'm hoping that you can learn from my experience. I just jumped into the market. I got some advice from a friend. I got into a scam project and lost a full Bitcoin back when Bitcoin was about $10,000. So think about this. Always keep working forward. Yes, you'll get some bumps along the way. These are unpredictable times. These are unpredictable markets. Even with the right resources, the right strategies, you can end up losing some or all of your money. So remember, though, if this is something that you see value in and you believe that it is what you want to do, is where you want to be, then stick to it. Keep working hard. Keep educating yourself. Surround yourself with a community that has the mindset, that has the vision, that is working towards obtaining the same goal as you. I always say, where more than 5 people have the same intention and moving into the same direction, you will be able to pull that energy, pull that intention, and move along with it. So find that strong community, connect with people that are like-minded, and stay focused, stay positive. Keep your mindset straight. Listen, there's always 2 sides of every single coin. You have positive, you have a negative in every single situation. But the key here is that you have the ability to choose which one you focus on. Are you going to focus on the positive? Or are you going to focus on the negative? If you keep focusing on the positive, that will create positive energy within you that is going to drive you to do that work, to continue learning, to continue growing. So my advice, again, keep at it, my friends. Look, I hope these strategies can help and serve you. If you want to dive deeper into what we do and how we help our members, you can use the links down below for more information on that. But with that said, that's all I got for you. Let's keep learning, building, and growing together. Stefan out.